So over here you can see that I have this particular image right here. So I can go around and make some changes as I want. So let's say I want to go around and export this image out in different formats. In that case, I can go around onto the file menu, and over here you can see that export as is an option. So you can export this in many formats as you can see right here, even raw format as you can see right here. So let's just go around and export this as, let's say for example, as a PDF format right here. In that case, I can go around and see a window right here. You can also go around and select out the format around over here. Let's say I choose JPEG right here. You can change around the quality as you can see, and you can even attach the metadata as you can see right here, and choose different type of format right here, just like this, like TIFF and even MP4 as you can see right here. You can choose BMP and so forth. So let's just go around over here and click on save right here, and now whatever format and settings that you choose, you simply can go around and save it out. Let's say for example in desktop right here. So over here in my desktop you can see that I got this BMP image right here. So let's just go around and open it out right here with, let's say for example, photos right here, and this is the saved image right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and export out contents, that is images, using Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.